It's video number 100. Woo! I was getting a little cold up in Poland, so now I've come to the smallest country in the European Union, the beautiful sunny island of Malta.
Look at that.
Wait.
Another location from Game of Thrones. Maybe one of these days I'll actually watch Game of Thrones. Malta is a small island right in the middle of the Mediterranean. It's really an interesting mix of cultures. Some parts feel like they're very Roman influenced, while other parts of the island feel like they're right out of the Middle East.